And if you see that a file cannot be opened by VsCode, you will know that it cannot be accessed by Git in any way. Hello, today I'm going to introduce a new software called VsCode. This is a code editor for every programming language that exists in this world. I guess it is the one that is very lightweight, it does not consume space, and it is easy to use. So I'm gonna show you how to download it. We'll come to this website called Visual Studio, code.visualstudio.com. Actually, I'll paste the link, or I'll share the link down in the description below. You need to download it according to your OS and then install it. If you have Windows, you need to download it. Hit that button and the download will start right away. But for me, I already have it, so I do not need to download it again. After that, you need to install it. Go to your downloads, then launch it, and you should install it. And if you'll be asked to add it to the path, you need to add it in the path. And now after that, you need to launch it. How you just launch the VsCode, and then it will open like such, and something like this should appear, right? So maybe I want to open a project folder. Mine is on the desktop, and then Maxify, then Git. Yes, this folder. If I just open it, it will open my new files. That is first file commit.txt, and now this first word file.docs. And as you can see, what I'm trying to open is the docs. And if you see that a file cannot be opened by VsCode, you will know that it cannot be accessed by Git in any way. And this is what I mean. Let's say yesterday we were talking about, for the last episode, we were talking about going back to a certain commit and retrieving the files, or retrieving the changes that you had done previously. If you use docs, it will not be possible, but for TXT and other programming language, it will be easy to retrace back the previous work. So note that some files cannot be accessed by Git, and you cannot go back to the previous versions. Backup has not been enabled because these are binary files, and which are different from the txt.py, .c, .cpp, all those files. So after now installing the VsCode, you need to come here. You need to come at this point where it is this file. After the file has been opened, you need to come here and then enable AutoSave. Alright, so that every file that you are making can be auto-saved. Every change that you are making can be auto-saved instead of manually. Yesterday you saw that we are interacting with TXT, but now the problem is that you needed to manually save the changes so that Git can track the change. That line, and then you manually save, since I'm working with TXT file. So this is why you need a VsCode, so that it can help you auto-save. The option is in the files as I have described. Here it is, autosave. You need to just enable it, and that will be it. Yeah, so on the next episode, now I'm going to be pushing my first project in GitHub. This one I'm introducing GitHub to you, and I'm sure you are comfortable with working with Git in your project. So we need to push the project online to create a backup so that you can access it from any computer that is out there. So that's that, and see you on the next one.